excited?
I'm so excited.
Me too.
It's so hot though.
We just touched down in Italy. We came from Dubai because we had a connecting flight, but we are finally here. We are currently stuck in traffic a little bit, but it's not too bad. And making our way to the Airbnb. Sheldon needs to help me. We looked so terrible because we've been flying for like 12 hours, but yeah, you know, but it's fine, you know. We're gonna get to the Airbnb, get changed, and then we're gonna go and explore. This, guys, this Italian sun is making us look a little bit better. I mean, if you guys could see us in real life, we don't look too good, do we? My skin is already suffering from how much I've been on the sun, but it's fine. I'm not going to wear any makeup today. We're going to St. Mark's Square, and then we are going to buy groceries and then hopefully come back to the Airbnb. It's about 7:30. No, it's actually 7.
It is 7:30.
It's 7:30.
Don't get ambushed by the guy.
And the sun is still up, guys, as you can see. There's a lot of people with like roses, and I don't want them because I want to pay like €5 for them. Guys, Europe's expensive. I can't afford this stuff. My face is so swollen because, you know, the Aritane's, she's not happy that I'm in Italy right now. She's like, bitch, go back to Africa do Sul.
Africa do Sul.
And stay in the shade.
Isn't Africa do Sul like a country? Or is it French for something?
No, it is a country. It's our country here. Crazy.
No, you don't know.
No, he doesn't know any foreign languages. Only knows Afrikaans.
Barely.
We're getting 2 Coronas. And 2 of these. What's happening? Is it falling? I know this table is like slanted, isn't it?
It is slanted. This whole place is slanted.
Oh my gosh, guys. Crazy. Literally around the corner. We are done getting groceries. Almost got groceries. Now we're going home, well, to the Airbnb, and we're gonna make sandwiches for days. Good morning, guys. It's day 2 in Venice, and this is our Airbnb. I'm gonna take you guys through a tour. I obviously can't be involved in the tour, otherwise y'all won't see anything but my face. So let me show you. So here is the kitchen. We obviously aren't gonna cook.
Definitely not. No.
And then our fridge. Yesterday we went to the grocery store. We just bought some milk. We bought some water and some strawberries that are so juicy.
Did you try
prosciutto? Yes, I did have a few last night. And then, good. Guys, Sheldon found Nesquik. Let's go to. This is the bathroom. How freaking cute. We've already like damaged the whole place, excuse-moi. And then there's some random sitting room in here. Sheldon is being so helpful.
I'm trying.
And showing me how pretty. Okay, so there's the canal. And then up there is just the rest of the streets. Okay, now this is the living room done, or the waiting room, I don't know what it is. Of course we have Wi-Fi, and then this is our room, and yes guys, we have lived in it, we have. But this is like the wardrobes right there, and then obviously our bed. Go down these stairs, can be up, and we go. Yes guys,
Close the door, babe.
Yeah, no, we just gotta like do it for the gram, right? Yeah.
Pull hard, like slam us. There we go. Yeah.
There's our balcony, guys. Right over there. And we want to sleep, okay? It's holiday. Breakfast we're having. How is it?
It's so good.
Is it?
It's delicious.
Oh yeah, I'm dying over it.
Like, what do we get in South Africa?
I saw this on Italian TV, so I'm getting one of them. Some ice. Just gonna put a lemon slice, okay? Because I really like that. Very much.
Thank you.
Strawberry delicious. Mm. So you see that there's KFC over there. Beautiful this is. It's just all, everyone has the same idea. Like, how? Okay. And
Found a Venetian husky, babe.
right? And she even put like the color around herself so that if it does run away. Ooh, there's a Sephora. We're going to the Sephora. Sephora.
Babe, what's Sephora?
It's like amazing. Don't even that girl looked at you like you crazy. What are you saying? What's Sephora?
Pros must have, babe. This is for you.
Okay, but do you see how many euros? How many euros that is? We are at this pavilion. It's the European Culture Center. All these sculptures are from people all over the world. So like Germany, Russia, Japan. Yeah. We're in Captain Candy. This is the captain. And look at how big these gummy bears are.
That's one
It's
gummy bear.
insane.
Right? I wonder what the silver balls
Right?
are. Do you think they're like chocolates?
Yeah, it's like hazelnuts.
Make the wax. There's the wax in the stick, and then you obviously melt it with a lighter on the page, and then you take the stamp and you.
We are going to St. Mark's Square again. We have just been walking around Venice because it's not really a place where you can go shopping because it's a lot of walking. So we're going to do that in Milan, but otherwise we're just sightseeing and enjoying everything. Sheldon's really hangry right now.
I'm so hungry.
We'll see you guys when we get to St. Mark's. Say bye, Mr. Hangry.
Bye.
We are climbing St. Mark's Tower. Gotta scan my ticket in this little fun machine right here. And then we're gonna go all the way up. This person made us get so lost.
We went last.
We were lost.
We were
even sitting tight.
Yeah.
No, tight. So we're going back to the crib. Gonna go get changed. We're gonna go for a romantic dinner. Me and my man. What is my dermatologist gonna say about me not having a hat on today? We went to a supermarket and we got some food, so we're gonna have that before we go to dinner. Because it's still 4 and the sun only sets at this place at 9. So yeah, we've got lots of time. We'll catch up with you guys later.
Definitely my favorite city in Italy.
Can't decide what is.
Babe, like, how can
I
you?
got a vanilla and it looks so good.
Thank you very much. Babe, why didn't you get it in
Thank you.
Take it, babe.
Thank you so much. We're leaving. Look at all these bags that we have to take on streets like this. How long is it going to take to get there? 20 minutes. Wow. Okay, well, good luck to us.
I guess I'll take the big bags.
Yeah, you take the big bags. I'll obviously handle it. Guys.
Trust you to find the KFC in Venice, but
yes. So good. The menu was so much bigger than our menus. I got chips and chicken tenders.